our life meaningful. It is clear that COVID-19 pandemic has utterly disturbed our studies, but we have to overcome our situation with a positive attitude and make our future bright and meaningful. A day dedicated to students will obviously make them feel special and to motivate them always to aim for better in life. World Students' Day every year is celebrated across the globe on October 15. The day is marked to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We, the students of grade 3, present you a visual treat on World Students' Day.
We begin with extending a warm welcome to our manager, Reverend Father Matthew Tail CMI, Principal Reverend Father Michael Anakalangal CMI, Vice Principal and Administrator Reverend Father Tommy Nellivelin CMI, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents and my dear charities. We are fortunate to have the support of a great team.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். தேசம் முழுக்க எழுந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். தேசம் முழுக்க எழுந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். கல்லும் முள்ளும் புல்லும் சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். காலம் கடந்து காலம் சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
You must have a dream, continuously acquire knowledge, hard work and perseverance. Don't not be afraid of
சமூகத்தில் அறிவார்ந்த மாற்றத்திற்கு தேவையான பொருளாதார வளர்ச்சி.
நேர்மை என்பது நெஞ்சில் விளைந்தால் நிச்சயம் நற்குணம் உண்டாகும். நற்குணம் நிறைந்த உறவுகளாலே ஒற்றுமை என்பது உருவாகும். ஒற்றுமை மிகுந்த நாட்டில் தானே ஒழுக்கம் என்பது உருவாகும். ஒழுக்கம் காக்கும் நாடுகளாலே உலக அமைதி நிலையாகும். வள்ளுவர் போலே வாய்மை வகுத்த நல்லவர் நீங்கள் என்பதனாலே கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம். கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
You should know how to handle the not only how to handle the success, how to handle the failures. Particularly, you are in the management environment. I want the young people to understand how to manage the failures, because any task you do, you have to come across problem. Problem should not become the captain of the individual or a project chief, and the project chief should become the captain of the problem and defeat the problem and succeed. Learning use creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Life is not one but many journeys. So friends, I invite you to watch the journey of my life that I always savor, cherish and treasure. The great visionary leader's life was a journey full of inspiring and motivating moments for students and entire youth of the world. Dr. Kalam was born on 15th of October 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. His full name was World Pakir Jainul-Abidin Abdul Kalam. He was a very hardworking and obedient student. Despite the hard days around him, he never gave the courage to achieve his long cherished goals. He studied
legacy has contributed majorly in the scientific field. As a well-known scientist, Kalam played a pivotal role in Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998, which earned him the title Missile Man of India. He was head of India's two largest science research agencies, the Defence Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). He made significant contribution to nuclear capabilities of India.
Dr. Kalam served as India's 11th president from 2002 to 2007 and was popularly known as People's President. He encouraged the youth of India to inculcate the habit of reading, and he himself penned out many inspirational books. Wings of Fire, India 2020 Vision for the New Millennium, Ignited Minds, Unleashing the Power Within India are the few among them.
The long list of awards bestowed on Kalam include the Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and highest civilian honor Bharat Ratna. While delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest on 27 July 2015. But he is still alive in the heart and mind of every Indian. In his life, his work, APJ Abdul Kalam embodied the best of what Indian can be.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो, आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है, ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज़ हम, चालसाज़ हम, इश्क़बाज़ दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Young people are fearless, brave, impetuous, dynamic, and self-confident. Young people have the idea, the creativity, and great energy to shape a better world.
Malala Yousafzai, often referred to mononymously as Malala, is a Pakistan activist for female education. She is a Nobel Peace Prize laureate and known for human rights advocacy. Her priority was providing education for women and children. She established the Malala Fund, a charity dedicated to giving every girl an opportunity to achieve a future she chooses.
Greta Thunberg is a Swedish environmental activist who is known for challenging world leaders to take immediate action for climate change mitigation. Thunberg started spending her school days outside the Swedish parliament to call for stronger action on climate change. Soon, the other students engaged in similar protests. Together, they organized a school climate strike movement under the name Fridays for Future. Determination is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. We need to be a warrior, not a warrior. Have you heard of Nihal Sarin? Nihal Sarin is an Indian chess player, a chess prodigy who achieved the title of Grandmaster at the age of 14. He was born in Thrissur. He is currently in the top 10 players of our country and the 4th youngest player in history to surpass the 2600 index.
strength of India. What the major strength of India? You guys, that is 600 million youth. Major strength of India, 600 million youth. Without vision, a nation dies without vision. You must have a vision, okay? Great vision. Well, succeeding life, I have already told you, you have to do 4 things, okay? Great aim. Continuously acquire knowledge. Oh, I will do hard work. I will persevere and succeed.
शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Use your valuable and precious time to achieve your goals. Start today by imagining the life you want in future and taking one practice step towards it. Embark on who you are. Embrace your life with passion and keep reaching for the stars. Shine on and go for it. Happy Students' Day. Thank you.